This is probably a waste of time. 2020 is a difficult year. I mean, normally rain wouldn't bother me. You know, you make your plans to go to the skyline, you're excited, and then it gets kind of rained out or whatever. You just turn around and go home. But in 2020, that's complicated because you have to make special arrangements and special times to do everything. Everything is just a little bit more of a hassle. I mean, that's 2020, and for some people the hassle is like really bad because of stuff. So yeah, it's frustrating, but still there's something salvageable. I mean, every now and then as you're driving around these amazing corners, you get these beautiful images, these beautiful shots, these moments that are just amazing. But yeah, it's still 2020. But hey, look at it this way. The temperatures today are lower than they have been, and for the next week, they're going to be even lower still. And so that's exciting because we're passing through that hot part of August, and very soon it will be fall. Listen, I hate to constantly plug my other channel, Breathe, and it's not really a plug, it's just kind of like an announcement. Yeah, I've uploaded a couple of videos there. One should be released Tuesday evening if everything goes right. And that's a really cool channel. I'm gonna do some different things that I've been doing. I'm gonna upload some things that sometimes I've uploaded to this channel. Not the exact same things, but things that maybe didn't go over as well here that may end up going well over there. So be sure that you check out that channel when you get time. Click that subscribe button. Watch this latest video that I've got out, which is basically celebrating the Appalachian Mountains, celebrating the Blue Ridge Parkway, and I think you guys will enjoy it if you check it out. And then sometimes you get nothing. Like, it's just clouds, it's just rain, it's just nothing. I feel so low energy today because of this. It's like blah, 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 blah. When I'm talking into the camera, I don't feel like I'm expressing enough excitement. It's because it's raining. My granny would call this kind of rain one of them good soaking rains. That's what she would say. Oh, I love Granny. She's 94, 95 years old, still puts out a garden, still has tomatoes every year, and they look amazing. But yeah, this is one of those good soaking rains, and it actually feels great out here. And it looks like, or at least it feels like, we're at the turning point and fall is on its way. And it always starts with one of these week or two long seasons of rain. Then it gets a little warm again, but then, you know, hey, the temperatures are falling and it's time for apple cider and apple butter and all things apple, right? So the worst part about driving around in the rain, at least in my opinion, is like, for some reason, and maybe you are like this, let me know in the comments if you are, is that I get abnormally hungry for soul food. Fried chicken, mashed potatoes and gravy, biscuits, all that kind of good old-fashioned country soul food. Collard greens, cornbread, when the weather's like this, you know? And I can't eat any of that right now. That makes this worse, because it's like, I can't even stop at a Cracker Barrel. You know what I'm saying? Just let me vent. Let me express. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Have you ever been in that situation where you're craving the soul food and you can't have the soul food right then? It's not a pleasant experience. And no, I'm not saying like I can have it when I get home. I can't eat that right now. I can't eat it. So it's not like we can exit the Skyline Drive and have our cozy moment at Cracker Barrel, because that sounds really good right now to me. How about you? I know it does. Doesn't it, right? Yeah, I know. And yet that option's not on the table. So we're just driving in the rain. You know that song, I Love a Rainy Night? You know the song. You know what I'm talking about. You know, that's because they had soul food. It was a rainy night, they were in the mountains, and he loves a rainy night because he had biscuits. That's the other part of the song that they didn't release, but it's there. It's there. And the thing about not eating normal food and having to eat other kind of food and all that kind of stuff is that it dominates your brain. You'd be making a YouTube video and you want to talk about food, you know, whatever. You gotta look on the bright side. At least it's not crowded up here today, and it's been kind of crowded since they reopened a couple of months ago. And it's quite chilly. I mean, I'm in shorts and this short sleeve shirt. Yeah, it's pretty chilly up here right now. Fall is definitely on its way. Moments like this are why we come to the Skyline even if it's raining. Absolutely breathtaking, awe-inspiring moments like this at this one overlook. I mean, we've had several overlooks, as you've seen in the pictures and the images, where it's just amazing and beautiful, but then you have a moment like this where a whole mountain just disappears because of the fog, and it's really cool. And of course, it stops raining when I'm done shooting and the light is gone for the day. Of course it stops, of course. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Please click the like and subscribe button. My name is Bill Marion, and this is A Nose for Life. I can't even stop at a Cracker Barrel. You know what I'm saying? Just let me vent. Let me express. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Have you ever been in that situation where you're craving the soul food and you can't have the soul food right then? It's not a pleasant experience.